Hello to everyone. Now today's lecture is based on preparation of aniline. We will start with aniline. First we will discuss how to prepare aniline. The first method for preparation of aniline is from nitrobenzene. We can prepare aniline from nitrobenzene. Basically it is a reduction reaction. It is a reduction reaction in which we convert NO2 to NH2, means nitrobenzene will convert into NH2. The reagent used are metal acid. You can use SnHCl, metal acid, or SnCl2 HCl, zinc HCl, NH4HS, Na2H, H2S, S2 nickel. They all can be used as a reduction, means nitrobenzene will convert into aniline. But just remember that you cannot use lithium aluminium hydride. There is an exception of lithium aluminum hydride in which aromatic nitro group will convert into azo linkage. Got it? It will undergo dimerization to form azo. What is the azo? N double bond N. Except LH, you can use these reagents to convert nitrobenzene to aniline. So first of all, write down in your notes. And this is the physical appearance of benzene, colorless to pale yellow liquid. The first method is reduction reaction from nitrobenzene to aniline, and point to remember is we cannot use LAH in this reduction because in LAH it converts into azo group. This is in some stylish way using AI tools. Nitrobenzene, suppose this is a nitrobenzene, this is using metal acid. Nitrobenzene, metal and acid. It will convert into aniline. Got it? Nitrobenzene, metal acid convert into aniline. Now, second important preparation of aniline is from amide. We can prepare from amide. The very famous reaction is Hofmann bromide reaction. In Hofmann bromide reaction, this 1 degree amide, when react with KOBr, will convert into 1 degree amine. Got it? So this is a benzamide. When react with KOBr, or we can write Br2 and KOH, it will convert into aniline. Plus there is a decrease in carbon. Means if we convert amide to aniline, there is a decrease in carbon. One carbon will less. The carbon which is less is convert into CO2, further convert into K2CO3 plus KBr. Second method is from Hofmann bromide reaction. We already discussed the mechanism in our carbon-19 chapter. The same, this is the balance reaction. When 1 degree amide react with 1 mole of Br2, 4 mole of KOH to give aniline, K2CO3, KBr and water. How many mole of KOH is used in Hofmann bromide? 4. How many mole of Br2 is used? 1. So this is a very important method for conversion of amide to amines. 1 degree amide to 1 degree amines. Pause the video and write in your notes. Now next method is from reduction of azo linkage. What is the meaning of azo linkage? This is azo linkage, N double bond N. This is known as azo linkage. If we azo linkage molecule, if react with metal and acid, if we react azo linkage with metal and acid, this azo linkage will break and corresponding amines will form. This will convert into NH2NH2. This means this will convert into aniline. Phenyl ring and nitrogen, this will convert into aniline. And what about the upper part? This upper part will also convert into NH2 means aniline, but there is a nitro group, therefore this will form. So just it is a cleavage of azo group by 10 HCl means metal acid. Got it? This is the aniline structure, 3D structure. Now these I have prepared using my customized GPT, AI tool ChatGPT. Now how to remember? The first method of preparation is from nitrobenzene to aniline. We discussed that nitrobenzene can be converted into aniline. Stain the tin man, turn nitro to amino. Got it? Stain the tin man. Why we write stain the tin man? Because of metal acid, NO2 convert into NH2. The second one is from amide to aniline. Amide to aniline. Brave benzamide become amine. Brave benzamide become amine means this is talking about Hofmann bromide reaction. And the third one is from azo linkage to aniline. Azo bond break, aniline awakes. What is azo bond? N double bond N. What is aniline? This pH NH2 is our aniline. Means azo bond break, aniline awakes. So this is the method for preparation of aniline. From next lecture we will start how aniline will react, the chemical properties of aniline. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and just click on the notification so that whenever the new video comes, you will quickly know about it. So please subscribe and please click on notification. Thank you.